What if the truck you buy this year is still running when everything else is scrapped? Not just running, but starting every morning, towing without complaint, and refusing to die? What if reliability isn't about luxury or tech, but about survival? And what if Ford quietly built trucks that can outlive their owners' patience, wallets, and sometimes even common sense? Today in this video, we're counting down 5 Ford trucks that are proven to last, based on updated reliability and longevity data going into 2025. This isn't hype, this isn't nostalgia, this is about which Ford trucks have the best odds of running so long they become part of the family. We're starting at number 5 and working our way to number 1. 5. Ford Maverick, the truck that refuses to be overworked. The Ford Maverick doesn't look like a forever truck at first glance, and that's exactly why most people misunderstand it. It's compact, efficient, and unintimidating, which makes it easy to overlook in a world obsessed with size and towing numbers. But longevity isn't about dominance, it's about stress. And the Maverick survives because it lives a low-stress life from day one. It was never designed to fight physics, and that restraint becomes its greatest long-term advantage. In 2025 reliability snapshots, the Maverick continues to perform better than many vehicles in its segment when judged by real-world ownership data rather than marketing promises. It isn't built to tow massive trailers or haul construction equipment every day, and that limitation quietly protects its mechanical systems. Engines last longer when they aren't redlined daily. Transmissions survive when they aren't overheated under constant load. The Maverick spends most of its life commuting, carrying light cargo, and doing everyday truck tasks without drama, and drama is what kills vehicles early. Yes, modern Mavericks have seen recalls, particularly software-related ones, but that's not a sign of fragility. It's a sign of modern vehicles being refined after release. In most cases, these updates improve shifting behavior, braking logic, and long-term wear characteristics. Once updated, the truck actually becomes more reliable over time. Owners who understand the Maverick's role and don't try to turn it into a Super Duty often report remarkably low running costs and consistent reliability year after year. The Maverick isn't immortal, but it's honest, and honesty is a powerful survival trait. It's the truck that keeps going because it was never asked to be something it wasn't built to be. 4. Ford Ranger, the quiet reliability comeback. The Ford Ranger has quietly rebuilt its reputation, and by 2025 it stands as one of Ford's most dependable mid-size trucks. This isn't about nostalgia for older generations, it's about modern engineering paired with restraint. The Ranger doesn't shout about its toughness, it proves it over time. Updated reliability rankings consistently place the Ranger near the top of the truck segment, especially among mid-size pickups. The reason is balance. It's strong enough to tow, haul, and work when needed, but compact enough to avoid the constant abuse full-size trucks often endure. Less weight means less strain on suspension components. Smaller loads mean cooler transmissions. Reasonable towing habits mean longer engine life. Over tens of thousands of miles, those small advantages compound. Another overlooked factor is global consistency. The Ranger platform benefits from international use, which accelerates problem identification and correction. Modern Rangers don't rely on excessive complexity to feel capable. Instead, they prioritize predictable behavior, mechanical durability, and ease of repair, qualities that matter far more at 200,000 miles than touchscreens or trim packages. Like every modern vehicle, the Ranger isn't immune to recalls or updates, but those are part of ownership in 2025. What matters is what happens after those issues are addressed. Once sorted, the Ranger tends to settle into a long, quiet life of reliability. It doesn't demand attention. It doesn't surprise you. It just keeps moving forward, mile after mile. The Ranger proves a critical lesson. You don't need the biggest truck on the road to go the farthest. 3. Ford F-150, the survivor of millions of miles. The Ford F-150 is the most debated truck on this list, and that debate exists because it's everywhere. With millions sold, it has accumulated both legendary success stories and very loud complaints. But when you step back and look at updated lifespan data going into 2025, one fact stands out clearly. A well-maintained F-150 can absolutely run for a very long time. In real-world ownership, the F-150 regularly reaches and exceeds 200,000 miles, especially when maintenance isn't treated as optional. Its greatest strength isn't perfection, it's infrastructure. Parts availability is unmatched. Mechanics know the platform inside and out. Problems are rarely mysteries, and that alone extends a vehicle's life. When something breaks, it's usually repairable without turning into a financial disaster. Reliability does vary by engine choice and model year, which is why the F-150 rewards informed ownership more than blind loyalty. Owners who follow maintenance schedules, address recalls promptly, and don't ignore early warning signs often see their trucks age gracefully. The F-150 also benefits from constant refinement. Issues don't linger for decades. They get studied, corrected, and improved because the owner base is so massive. The F-150 doesn't last forever by accident. It lasts because an entire ecosystem exists to keep it alive. In the real world, that ecosystem can matter more than any single reliability score. 2. Ford F-250 Super Duty, built to outlast expectations. The Ford F-250 Super Duty is where the idea of forever starts to feel realistic rather than optimistic. This truck wasn't designed for casual use. It was designed for work, and work vehicles, when cared for properly, often outlast everything else on the road. Updated longevity data through 2025 shows the F-250 with strong odds of reaching extreme mileage. Many examples cross 200,000 miles without major mechanical drama, and a meaningful percentage go far beyond that. The reason lies in construction philosophy. Everything is heavier, stronger, and designed with margin. Frames resist flex. Cooling systems handle sustained load. Drivetrains are engineered for punishment rather than convenience. What truly sets the F-250 apart is how owners treat it. Super Duty owners tend to maintain their trucks like equipment, not appliances. Fluids are changed early, where items are replaced proactively. Small issues are addressed before they become catastrophic. That discipline compounds over time and dramatically extends lifespan. The F-250 isn't cheap to repair, but it rarely needs constant repairs. It trades repair frequency for durability, and over the long haul, that trade often saves both money and frustration. This is the truck that doesn't just survive abuse, it was built expecting it. 1. Ford F-350 Super Duty, and the closest thing to forever. At number 1, the Ford F-350 Super Duty earns its reputation as the most likely Ford truck to truly run forever. Not symbolically, not nostalgically, statistically, and repeatedly proven in the real world. This is the truck people buy when failure simply isn't an option, and downtime costs more than comfort ever could. Updated long-term durability studies place the F-350 among the trucks with the highest probability of reaching 250,000 miles and beyond, with many examples quietly pushing far past that mark. This isn't luck, it's deliberate engineering. The F-350 is overbuilt in every meaningful way, designed for constant load, extreme towing, long idle hours, and environments that rapidly destroy lighter trucks. It's built to survive conditions that shorten the lifespan of almost everything else on the road. What separates the F-350 from everything else on this list is how rarely it's pushed to its actual limits. Most owners never use even half of its true capability, and that unused potential becomes mechanical insurance. When a vehicle operates below maximum stress for most of its life, wear slows, components last longer, and catastrophic breakdowns become rare instead of inevitable. The truck isn't working hard, it's barely warming up. The F-350 isn't perfect, repairs can be expensive, and maintenance is absolutely non-negotiable. But when cared for properly, this truck doesn't simply age, it endures. Many become generational vehicles, passed down rather than traded in, still working long after newer trucks have come and gone. It doesn't just outlive trends, it outlives expectations. If there is a Ford truck most likely to outlast technology cycles, ownership cycles, and even its original purpose, this is it. Here's the truth most people don't like hearing. Trucks don't run forever because of branding. They run forever because of design, maintenance, and realistic use. In 2025, reliability is less about being flawless and more about being fixable, durable, and supported. These 5 Ford trucks earn their reputation not because they never break, but because they refuse to quit. Now it's your turn. Which one of these trucks would you trust to go the distance? Drop your answer in the comments, share your high mileage stories, and if you want more honest, data-driven truck breakdowns like this, like and subscribe.